Today we're going to configure frame relay on Cisco routers. Frame relay is one of the first cost-effective WAN connection types. Frame relay is used to connect two or more local area networks over larger distances. LAN traffic is encapsulated into frame relay packets or frames, and that packet is frame relay is gonna pass it into the cloud, or in our case service provider, and magically pop out on the other side. Frame relay is now replaced with MPLS. MPLS is multi-protocol label switching. We're gonna get to that on another video. Now let's go ahead and configure our first frame relay configs. Here, as you can see, this is the cloud, or this is the ISP. The ISP usually gives you a DLCI number. DLCI is data link data link connection identifier number. So that's what the service provider is going to use to switch between the two LANs. Let's say this office is in location A, and this office is going to be in location B, and our service provider is in the middle. So let's go ahead and connect our routers with the service provider using a serial cable on port 010/1/0. Okay, let's configure the ISP part. Here, serial 0 is going to be a DLCI. Let's assume the internet service provider assigned us the DLCI number 21. And the name is going to be location A. All right, let's add it. And serial 1 is going to be, let's say DLCI 22 and location B. Okay, we're going to add it. Now let's go to frame relay and let's put serial 1 and location B. Put serial 0, location A, and we're going to add it. 21 and 22. Okay, let's configure this sides of the routers. Interface number is serial 0/1/0. IP address is 6.1.1.1/30 prefixes 255.255.255.252. And we're going to type the no shutdown command. Okay, let's configure this side. This side is going to be 0/0/0, IP address 6.1.1.30, so 6.1.2. We should be able to ping oh, okay, sorry. 6.1. No, we should not be, because the DLCI is not configured. Okay, let's configure the DLCI. Okay, on this side, on serial 0, we say DLCI is 21. So let's go ahead. On the interface, we're going to type encapsulation frame relay. And we're going to type frame relay. And we hit the question mark, interface-dlci. And we're going to type 21. Exit. On this side, the interface DLC number is going to be interface serial 0/0/0 encapsulation frame relay, then frame relay interface DLC is going to be 22. Okay, now it should work. Let's hope it's going to work, fingers crossed. Oh, it's not working. Yeah, it works. Look at this. Okay, frame relay connection is working. It's like switching between two networks and using this ISP or service provider as a switch in the middle of two different networks. Okay, let's configure this side just to connect the two sides. This is the local area network of location A, so let's go ahead and configure the IP address on this end device. Let's put 192.168.10.25 192.168.10.25 192.168.10.1 and configure interface G00. .192.168.10.1 255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, this is going to be 20, so 192.168.20.25 192.168.20.1 is the router's IP address for the default gateway. Let's configure interface G0/0. Interface G0/0. IP address is going to be 192.168.20.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And no shutdown. Okay, what's remaining is we're gonna have to configure a routing protocol. Either we can use a RIP or we can use a static route. So let's just go ahead and use a static route. To configure a static route, let's go type IP route followed by the destination address, going to be 192.168.20.0 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and we're going to type 6.1.1.2. okay, and let's configure routing, static routing on this router here. IP route 192.168.10.0 255.0 and 6.1.1.1. Now the two computers should be pinging. Let's go ahead and try to ping from here. 2.168.20.25. They should be pinging clearly. Yeah, it works. Connection over frame relay network. Look at this. Frame relay is outdated now. It's being replaced by MPLS. MPLS is the motor type of, it takes ATM technology, and it takes a little bit of technology from ATM, and it takes a little bit from frame relay. It combines the two, and MPLS is multi-layer protocol. So that's going to be the new thing. MPLS is the new thing. This is outdated. You're not going to find this on your CCNA exam. So thank you for watching.